Ladies and gentlemen, we're Team 11, Skateboard Right Foot. We're building a fortune-telling application which you are allowed to draw 3 tarot cards, which will tell what your future will be like. Firstly, let me introduce you to our awesome team members. Our team is formed by 3 parts, which are design and testing team, front-end team, and back-end team. Hunter and Sophia are in charge of our designing process and testing our project. Junyi Wu, Changshu, Tan, Vincent, they formed our front-end team. Jennifer, Harish, Andrea, and Songwu, they were in charge of the back-end development. So let's have a really quick tour of our project, the tarot card reading recipe generator. Here we go. So on our homepage, we can see we have a welcome page, and there's a brief introduction of all the functions we've implemented and something you might get confused. So let's start reading. At this page, we are also implementing the Cooking Mama audio. Yeah, because our project is a cooking scene. Then, I'll pause the sound since it's too noisy, but if we selected 3 cards, it can be upside right or upside down. After clicking 3 cards, you will be automatically directed into our card reading page. Then we will have your fortune showing up. We use the triangle card set, so we only use the 22 major arcana, and here we go. This is our fortune. If you after this, you can also get a recipe which might help with to improve your fortune, and you can go to the recipe website by clicking the link. However, if you don't really like your fortune, you can also change it by simply starting a new reading. Then you can go back to the card selection page and make 3 new selections.
For the CI/CD pipeline, most of our problems came from not knowing how to implement parts of it. So, like with the linter, nobody knew what they were doing, and it kind of caused a lot of problems because we were just copying pasting code from the middle of nowhere into the GitHub workflow folder, and it kind of we wasted a lot of time doing that.
I think beyond the class, the main thing I could improve on is kind of adding to the interpretation backend and maybe making it more meaningful beyond just simply randomly generating something after summing up values. Potentially being more context dependent based on which cards are selected. Say, like the Emperor has a specific meaning, seeing if that could be extracted into the overall interpretation, like a segment of it. I feel like that would add to the interpretation backend a lot more and make it a bit more interesting. And that's something I'd work on beyond the class.
To any future 110 students, I think the best thing you could do is be transparent and upfront if you need help. There's 9 other people on your team and a TA mentor that are there to help, so there's always someone there for you. I know for my team, we had pretty open communication, so we were always trying to tell each other any blockers and challenges we face, and we all work together to combat them. So just remember that you can always ask for help.